Hi, I'm Wayne Hooker, Project Manager out of the Statesville office with America's Home Place. We are here today in the Walton I B, which is basically 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So here at America's Home Place, our standard ceilings are 9 foot high throughout the whole entire house, which gives it one level look as you walk in the door. But you got the option of changing those ceilings if you desire. So one of the options you can get is the Coffered ceiling, which would be boxes and crown mold inside, which would give you a very massive look. Most people would go up or do it in a second floor part that's open all the way up. So another option would be a vaulted ceiling, which would be one wall higher than it just vaults down. But basically what you would have is, when you walked in this room, you'd have a flat ceiling halfway across the room, then it would go up, and then the vaulted ceiling to the back. So that would be an option you could have if you just wanted a higher ceiling and a higher look in your kitchen and dining room. That would really not put a lot of cost to you, but it would go up a little bit, but that would be very minimum. So in this house, she chose a cathedral ceiling, which goes up on both sides up to a peak, which is very high. That way she can showcase this wall and a lot of tall things that she has that she wants to put in here. Also, she chose a cathedral ceiling in her garage. It's doing the same thing. It's a very tall ceiling. It goes up on each side, and she has a wall of showcases there that she wants to display. And then she has some things that she wants to put in that garage that's going to be like 12 foot tall, 15 foot tall. So she's got the room to do all that stuff. And that's the options that you can have with America's Home Place. There's really no end to it. We're here to make it happen. So if you want to learn more about the Walton I B, visit us at americashomeplace.com. Like and subscribe.